Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Welcome to the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation. Now, can I ask you, what exactly is holding you back from making all your dreams come true? What can I help you with right now to take your life on a higher level? If you and me can work together to get your next big adventure started, drop me a text message on 07801 543 515 or book your free 30-minute slot at ldlcall.com. Let's talk soon, but first, here is today's quote. Stop worrying about the things you can't control. Now, despite how much you wish it wasn't the case, it is completely true. It's simply not possible to control everything. And you can't stop the worry from it all either. So stop worrying about these things and concentrate on the things you can. Make the best of what you can influence or what you can change, and you'll have yourself best placed for whatever comes your way.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.